In a decisive move, India has transported 35 captured Somali pirates to Mumbai to face trial following a daring rescue operation by its navy. The INS Kolkata, spearheading the mission, arrived in the financial hub on Saturday, bringing an end to the harrowing ordeal that began with the hijacking of the Maltese-flagged MV Ruin. The hijacking, which occurred east of Socotra in the northern Arabian Sea in December, marked a concerning resurgence of Somali piracy, being the first successful boarding of a cargo vessel since 2017. India's swift and resolute response not only led to the recapture of the hijacked bulk carrier, but also ensured the safe rescue of several hostages. Indian naval commandos executed a daring operation on March 17, seizing control of a vessel located some 260 nautical miles off the Somali coast. The successful rescue mission resulted in the liberation of 17 crew members hailing from Myanmar, Bulgaria, and Angola from the clutches of Somali pirates. The pirates themselves are slated to be handed over to the police custody later the same day. This event marks a significant departure from recent protocol, as Indian naval forces traditionally opted to leave disarmed pirates at sea after vessel recaptures. However, in a notable shift, these captured pirates will now face trial on Indian soil, a move not seen in over a decade. Under India's stringent anti-piracy laws, the captured individuals could potentially face severe penalties, including death sentence for instances involving killing or attempted killing, and life imprisonment for acts of piracy. The meticulously planned rescue operation, culminating after 40 hours of intense effort, saw commandos parachuting from a military C-17 aircraft onto the targeted vessel. Their swift and decisive actions compelled all 35 pirates on board to surrender, as confirmed by a statement from the Indian Navy. Praising India's intervention, the owner of the Bulgarian vessel, Navi Bulgar, hailed the rescue as a major success. India's commitment to combating piracy has been steadfast since 2008, with continuous naval deployment off the coast of Somalia. However, recent escalations and maritime assaults, including those in the Arabian Sea and by Yemen's Houthi rebels in the Red Sea, prompted intensified anti-piracy efforts. Since December, India has deployed a substantial fleet comprising at least a dozen warships in strategic areas such as the Gulf of Aden and the northern Arabian Sea, bolstering its ability to safeguard vessels navigating these perilous waters.